Hi, you're watching Techrific. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to track employee leave using Google Sheets. And if you want a link to this spreadsheet, just check the description of the video. But this is a fairly simple sheet. On the first sheet, we've got the employee identifier. You can use their name or email here. Here I've just got employees 1 through 13, the hire date, the number of leave credits, the credits used, and then the credits remaining. So it's just D minus E equals F. We've got a formula in D and E that I want to go over. So D is how we're calculating how many hours they've earned. It's datedif. So we take the hire date and then today's date and get an output in months. So this is recorded in September 16th. So this particular employee has been with the company 3 full months, and then just multiply that by 8 to get a number of leaves in hours. And then the credits used is going to be referencing each time an employee uses a day off, whether it be sick, vacation, whatever. It just goes into a spreadsheet, and this is going to sum all of those particular hours for the particular employee. So we've got a sumif function. So if you look at the sumif details, it starts off with a range, which is going to be the employee identifier on the next sheet, B2, which is the employee identifier on this sheet, and the time off, the sum of the range, which is like the number of hours we're counting. So just go over to the next sheet, show you how that works. We've got the employee identifier here in the B column, and then the number of hours off in the C column. So put that together, and we can see that here in the first employee has used a total of 8 hours, and it did sum up a total of 8 hours, subtracting that from the 24 hours that they've earned, and they have 16 hours of credit remaining. So that's how I track employee time off. Let me know if you have any questions on this, or if you have better ideas of like maybe fields that you can add, or a better way of doing this spreadsheet. But I think this is just a quick and simple way of handling this in Google Sheets. No fancy software needed. But let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and thanks for watching.